We're out at the shore of, what is this? Lake St. Mary?
St. Mary?
St. Mary Lake? Something like that. On the east side of Glacier National Park. And we were just in the boat dock area for the lake. And they had all the trails closed down because apparently out along the shore out here, there's grizzly bears eating berries. And they wanted to keep people away. For good reason, probably. But we pulled into the parking lot and they didn't have signs up in the parking lot. And we pulled in and there was a black bear in the parking lot. So that was cool.
You'll just have to take our word for it.
Yeah, we couldn't get a camera out fast enough. He just sauntered off into the woods.
There's a little trail down here and oh man, my curiosity is I so want to travel down that trail, but the idea of coming around the corner and hitting a black bear trying to get berries is slightly deterring me.
Black bear I'm not so worried about.
Not a black bear, a grizzly bear. The idea of finding a grizzly bear down there is deterring me.
Yeah. Today the smoke is supposed to clear. It has not yet. It smells of smoke. But it is a little bit better view-wise than it was the other day. Hopefully tomorrow we are supposed to get rain. So we want to come in and see what it looks like with rain happening. And hopefully then it'll be clear the next few days after that. But we're down by the shoreline, probably a mile from where the bears supposedly are, which isn't that far.
No.
We just wanted to see the lake shore.
I don't know where this
They had it all blocked off. And there are lots of berries down here.
I know. I want to see where this goes, but I'm concerned.
I left the bear spray in the car.
Yeah.
Well, let's just go. If we make noise, we're fine. It's open.
Yeah.
Sue's dropping her phone. I'm not really concerned about bears as much.
Really?
Grizzlies.
Hey, bear.
Same thing. It's like same thing as a black bear. If you spook them or you corner them or they feel whatever, then they might do something. But it's so rare that they attack somebody. We'll just make noise so they know we're coming.
Ah.
But I don't see anything anywhere.
I know,
so I think we're good.
They're oh, there's a lizard. Is that a lizard? No, it's a stick.
It's a snake. It's a bear snake.
Yeah, you would think that there would be bears in this.
Yeah. But it's right by a busy road, so we might get a good look down the lake shore. Look how clear the lake is. But not the sky. Alright. We saw what we came for. Time to head back up. Right?
Yep.
Okay.
Smoke is getting better today. Still smells real smoky. But look at that. I mean, you can start to see blue sky.
We're actually getting color in the sky.
Glacier National Park is a lot bigger than we realized. It turns out there's more to see beyond the Going to the Sun Road. With that newfound information, we set off to explore as much of it as we could. There are multiple parts to Glacier National Park and very few ways to get to those parts. Many Glacier has one entrance and it's under construction.
Windy, and you can kind of imagine how it would look without smoke.
Ha.
Wow, but it's smoky.
Yeah, it is.
All right, I want to go down here. Look at what we found in the woods. This is where the bears make s'mores.
Wow, that doesn't look like
I hear a waterfall.
Look at these beautiful trees.
We got some wind coming through. Whew, it's really whipping through here. Hopefully that's the start of the smoke clearing out.
I don't know if it was my imagination, but those rocks felt like they were shaking in the wind.
It's probably your imagination.
Ooh, I bumped my leg real hard. Ouch.
Ow. We got some wind gusting through here.
Like it's trying to toss us.
While clouds and blue sky were finally becoming visible above, there was still smoke on the horizon. But though the sky may not have been clear, the water certainly was. By the end of the day, we had driven around the entire park and had seen as much as we could through the smoke. If I'm honest, that low visibility made for a disappointing day that was punctuated by moments of beauty. Little did we know, there was so much wonder just around the corner.